Hi, welcome to our fourth video. In this video, we're going to continue learning about MIT's App Inventor um, to develop apps for Android. In this video, we're going to create an app that talks to us when we press a button. For now, I'm going to use the emulator to run our app. If you don't know how to use the emulator, you can click the link that appears in the video and it'll take you to a video that shows you how to set up and use the emulator. So let's go to our MIT's App Inventor 2 and let's start a new project. The name of this project is going to be Talk. What components do we need? It's a very simple app. We're going to have only two components of our designer tab. We're going to use a button. The button is going to tell us when the user wants the app to talk. So I'm going to change the font size to 32 and I'm going to change the text and it's going to say talk. Right here in the components palette, we're going to go to the tab that says media. In the media tab, we find different components. We're going to learn how to use a lot of these components in other videos. For now, we're going to use this text-to-speech component, drag it, and toss it right here in our app. As you can see, it doesn't appear directly in our app because it's a non-visible component. Apps have non-visible components that are there to do something, but the user doesn't actually see it. This component is going to take the text that we write in our program and it's going to read it out loud when the user presses talk. For now, we're done with the designer tab, so let's go to the top right corner and click on the blocks. And here we're going to actually start programming. So let's click on our component button 1 and look for this function. It says when button 1 click do. We're going to click it and let it go. So what does this block do? It does something when button 1 is clicked. So as we said before, we're going to use the text-to-speech component. We're already using the button component. So now we need to do something with the text-to-speech. Let's take this purple block and throw it right inside the buttons. What does this purple block does? It says call text-to-speech1 dot speak and message. So it calls text-to-speech 1. It's basically saying, hey, non-visible component, speak this message. We haven't gave it a message yet, so we have to fill up a message that text-to-speech is going to read or speak. So right here in the built-in options, we find something that says text. So we find different text options. We're going to take the very first one. It's a blank text box and throw it right there in the message button. And we're going to write, hi, hi, I'm your very first talking app. Hey, why am I writing like this? Hi, I'm your very first talking app. And we're going to connect using the emulator. You can connect using the USB or the App Inventor Companion. If you don't know how to use the App Inventor Companion, you can click right here in this link and it's going to show you how to use App Inventor Companion. So I'm going to click in the emulator and I'm going to pause the video because as you already know, it takes some time for the emulator to start up and we'll continue the video once the emulator is ready. Okay guys, we're back and the emulator is already done. As you can see, if we go to the designer tab, the emulator will look identical to the designer tab. When we click talk, I'm gonna try to let you listen.
I am your very first talking app.
The app says exactly what we wrote to it. We can change whatever it says, whatever it's programmed to say. And I'm gonna write this is very easy. And open the emulator and click talk.
This is very easy.
And we can hear how our app says exactly what we write to it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and keep watching and learning from our videos. Next video, we're going to take this app one step further, and we're going to use sensors from your mobile device to make our app talk. We're also going to let the user decide what the app says. I really hope you liked this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching.